Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making لقمة الحلوة, a dessert that's based off of sweet potatoes. In a food processor, let's put our sweet potatoes. Now these sweet potatoes have already been boiled and peeled. This is about 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. Here we'll add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Now we'll add about a stick of butter. Here we'll add a cup of fine semolina. Once it's nice and smooth, we'll add it to a greased pan. This is a non-stick pan. It's about 14 inches in diameter and 2 inches in depth. Now I'm going to pre-cut it in a triangle-like manner. Once it's all cut, if you choose, you can put a slice of almond in the center of each piece. Then you're going to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees and bake until the sides are brown, which will be about 40 minutes. If you'd like a little bit more color to the top, just broil it slightly. Now while that's baking, let's make some simple syrup. Let's put 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Here we'll add just a couple of drops of lemon and we'll let that simmer for about 10 minutes. As soon as we pull it out from the oven, we're going to pour the simple syrup. Try to distribute it evenly and then let it sit for at least a ½ hour because you want it to soak in all of that syrup. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and even more, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, comment, and be sure to subscribe for more recipes.